time for another cold email teardown where I jump into the inbox and find bad emails that I receive and try to make them better. Today, we've got an email from Elizabeth Perkins. She says, "Want collaboration? A great opportunity for your channel. Alex Berman." This is an email where this person is trying to sell me on reviewing an app, although it's hard to tell because of the way this email is structured. I am a marketing strategist at Zinspy. I would like to request you for a video review of our app on your YouTube channel, and then a link to my channel's About page. Zinspy is a mobile app which is compatible with both Android and iOS. So what I want to do is take this email and let's turn it into something that I might respond to, or that influencers might respond to. So let's move this over to a Google Doc. By the way, if you want this Google Doc, it's down in the description below. You can have it at the end of this video. What do we have to change to make this usable? Well, let's start with some basic stuff. Let's do like a "Hey Alex" app review or something like that. Or even quick question, something else there. If you need more subject lines, I'll link down below. We've got 50 examples, 50 subject lines that we use internally at our company, X27, where we're booking meetings with billion-dollar brands. You can grab all of those, you can use them for free. So, "Hey Alex, I visit your YouTube channel. You are doing an awesome job and share amazing tech videos. I'm just in love with your channel. Keep going, dude." I like this part. This part seems human. This part seems like it's very broken English and really makes me wonder who Elizabeth Perkins is. So I found Elizabeth Perkins. She got 1 subscriber on YouTube. I feel like it's a spammer. Also, her email address is elizabthperkins@gmail.com. So can't even spell your own name right. I'll just start from scratch. "Hey Alex, love what you're doing on YouTube. Huge fan." That's it. You don't need to customize more because you're offering to pay them. You're offering these YouTubers a review of your app, which I assume you're going to pay for. By the way, how much do you usually charge for such videos? I don't need a link to my own YouTube channel. Let's look at their app really quick. Zixenspy. XNspy. Is it XNspy? Features that don't compromise the digital safety of your loved ones. Zixenspy comes with a huge cache of images that will keep you posted about your friends and businesses on the go from anywhere, anytime. Sift through important cell phone logs of your kids or take... Okay, so it lets you spy on people, which makes sense. It's a spy app. Great. "Hey Alex, love what you're doing on YouTube. Huge fan. I run marketing at a startup app company called XNspy. It's an app that allows anyone to easily track..." Just trying to come up with a decent way to say this without it. This is such a sketchy app, by the way. I don't endorse Zixenspy right now. And they didn't pay me for this video. This is not a paid review. "Track location of your kids in real time while they are out with friends, or know how your employees like to spend their lunch breaks. Zixenspy offers fast track." So I just don't understand what the app is. So I'm not gonna go through and like redo what their app is. I don't believe in their concept of spying on employees. "I run marketing at a startup app company called XNspy. It's an app that allows anyone to easily track the whereabouts of employees, co-workers, or their children. Figured you might want to review." This is one thing that a lot of these influencer outreach programs get wrong. They ask stuff like, "By the way, how much do you usually charge for such videos?" And I'll delete it. You know how much you're willing to pay, or at least you should have something. Is it $50? Is it $20,000? Just something like that. Figured you might want to review it. We can offer, let's go low. I'll lowball. We can offer $50 for the video, if that works. Also open to negotiation. Oh, thanks, Carl. And then a signature, because I know Elizabeth didn't have a signature in hers. So I'll just put my signature here, you know, Carl Jenkins. I'm using his real name here. Marketing Director, XN Spy. Let's make this the company colors of red. I'm helping you guys out right now. This is free consulting. Hope you're down. Address, phone, all right, XN Spy, the email, you know, carl@xnspy.com, and then the LinkedIn link. And there you go. This is similar to our influencer outreach that we did for Whoa Hello. If you want to check that video out and see how an email like this actually performs, which is extremely well, you can see that. If you want us to do outreach like this for your company, check out experiment27.com. We help agencies and services businesses, also high-ticket SaaS, match with billion-dollar brands. That's what we do all day. We get high-quality meetings for high-quality companies. If you want this email, it's down in the description below as well. If you know somebody that would get value from this, I'd love if you would share it with them. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for more videos like this. Talk to you later. I'm Alex Berman. Thanks.